Hey, it's Dr. Jim Stoppani with another Transformation Challenge tip. Now in week 4, you should be well aware of the importance that nutrition has on both your results and your performance in the gym. So this week I want to talk about food prep. Now food prep to me is a bit different. I don't actually cook my meals ahead of time, but I shop ahead of time. So use the weekends to shop for all the food that you're going to need throughout the week. That way you know you'll have all the food items you'll need for each and every meal so you can stick with your diet and get the best results.